that's the key thing there as well, which is that because in an abstract class you have to implement the members display and use. That is the only reason that you can safely then in your for loop further down say item.display and item.use. Because if they were still virtual and potions say didn't have a use, how can item.use happen on the potion?
And if we didn't have these abstract members, then because we don't have the guarantee that these are being implemented, you'll notice that line 84 now becomes an error. Because this member no longer exists, the C# compiler cannot know for certain that this code is going to work. And it has nothing to latch onto. It just doesn't know that it exists. By declaring that abstract member, we're declaring its existence and forcing everything that inherits from item to provide that implementation.
Yeah, Wick said, I like that phrase, code contract, and I know that's a phrase Buzz uses a lot for this sort of thing. I didn't know if Buzz had anything different to say about the subject.
No, it's just nice using contract when you want to create other classes that must for sure guarantee certain implementation, certain methods that are implemented. And so it's a way to force a contract.